In this video, I will share with you top 5 best Bluetooth audio adapters of 2024. So, let's start.
Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 5.
C100 Pro HiFi Bluetooth Preamp USB Player. The C100 Pro is a high-end Bluetooth 5.0 preamp and USB digital music streamer, featuring the ESS9038 DAC and DSD512 support for pristine sound. It boasts a 768K/32-bit sampling rate and an OLED display, making it ideal for audiophiles seeking excellent audio resolution and advanced features. The advantages of this Bluetooth preamp are: OLED display provides clear, real-time data. The disadvantages of this Bluetooth preamp are: price may be high for casual users.
At number 4.
AIYIMA DP02 HiFi Bluetooth Preamp Digital Player. The AIYIMA DP02 features an AKM4493 decoder, Bluetooth 5.1, and DSD512 support. It offers high-fidelity sound with an OLED display and VU meter for an enhanced listening experience. This versatile digital player and preamp is ideal for audiophiles who value premium audio and aesthetic design. The advantages of this digital player are: Bluetooth 5.1 for stable wireless connection. The disadvantages of this digital player are: may be too complex for casual users.
At number 3.
Arylic S50 Pro WiFi AptX HD Preamplifier. The Arylic S50 Pro is a high-end preamplifier with Wi-Fi, AptX HD, and an ESS Sabre DAC, ensuring superb audio quality. It supports multi-room streaming with AirPlay, Tidal, Internet Radio, DLNA, QPLAY, and UPnP, offering a premium, versatile solution for modern home audio enthusiasts. The advantages of this preamplifier are: Wi-Fi and AptX HD for wireless high-definition sound, multi-room streaming for flexibility. The disadvantages of this preamplifier are: requires setup for streaming services.
At number 2.
Arylic BP50 Bluetooth Stereo Preamplifier. This Arylic BP50 Bluetooth Stereo Preamplifier features AptX HD and 2.1-channel Mini Class D amplification, offering superior sound quality for home speakers. It integrates seamlessly with your audio system, delivering crisp sound with minimal distortion, making it a perfect addition for home theater setups. The advantages of this stereo preamplifier are: AptX HD for high-definition audio, 2.1-channel for immersive sound, compact Class D design saves space. The disadvantages of this stereo preamplifier are: limited to Bluetooth connectivity.
At number 1.
Arylic B50 Bluetooth 5.2 Audio Adapter. The Arylic B50 is a Bluetooth 5.2 transmitter and receiver that delivers high-quality AptX HD audio. It allows wireless audio streaming from TVs, home stereos, or headphones, offering flexibility for an immersive sound experience at home. This compact device is perfect for boosting wireless audio across various devices. The advantages of this audio adapter are: supports high-quality AptX HD audio, versatile transmitter and receiver modes. The disadvantages of this audio adapter are: limited to Bluetooth devices.